Hello everyone. Now first of all we are going to make its front end, which is generally known as GUI. That is how it looks. First of all I create it. Now let's see how would I create and how would you create. Hope you would get the same result in the end. First of all, from the library we have tkinter import static. It means everything. Now Windows equal to tk, and now we will set the size of the window. So we will use win dot geometry and set the size. I will prefer 500 by 300. You can choose anyone what you like. Okay, so what's the title of the window? So we have win dot title, and it's known as smart calculator for YouTubers. Hope you like it. Now here is title is set. Now set the background color. So we have win dot configure bg. Bg means background color. I like the light sky blue color, so I will go with light sky blue. You can take an pink color, gray color, orange, whatever you like. Now set the label. For label we have L1 is equal to label. We have window because we are setting the Windows label, and we have text. I am YouTuber, or you can say I am calculator. Now we have to set the width as well. We will see what does it means. So we have width of 20, and we also have to give the padding. Hope you know what is the padding on x-axis and the y-axis as well. So now we have to place the label as well. So we have L1 is equal to place L1 dot place, and we have x is equal to 150, and most probably it would be okay. L1 dot place x 150 and y 110. Now let's see is it works or not. Here look at this. Now we will see what happens next. Now we have to set the label 2, so we have copied L1 and L2. This becomes L2. This also becomes L2. Here you write my name is hello world. Now I have taken, just keep the width. Hope when you are doing and taken the width as a 20, you will see that there is no need of width. And we have pad x is equal to 3. You can also take as 4 as well, but in my case, that is defining the window size, it looks pretty good. So I have taken x is equal to 180 and take y is equal to 40. I think it looks better. It's not showing because I have now take an example of L3. So I would copy the same and paste it. This is L3, this also becomes L3 win text, and it say that what can I help you dear. More closer to 176 and 130. So for the string operation we have to write text in is equal to string var, which means string variable we are taking, and now taken as e1 is equal to entry because we have to enter something. Windows width is equal to 30 and text variable is equal to text in, which we have written in the above line. Hope you are comfortable with going so far. So e1 dot place, because after writing the label we have to place it as well. So x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 160. Now we also have to place a button as well. So for this we have b1 is equal to button of window comma text is equal to just this. So we have b1 dot place, we have x is equal to 210 and y is equal to 200. Yes, is it okay? I think it looks quite well. So we have list is equal to uh, list box, list box in the window. I am typing quite slow so you can understand and learn what I am telling to you. I hope you understand it. Height 3. So we have to place the list as well. List dot place. We have x is equal to 150 and y is equal to 230. So we have to run the main loop as well, which we forget. Now test, is there any error or not? I hope there is no error. Oh, the text boxes are not shown. I will see and tell you what happens. And the problem is that the spelling of the label, we have written the small l over there, but it is quite sensitive over the uppercase and the lowercase letters. So I have written this uppercase L before I have written the small, which it is not taken. It is asking as write the correct syntax. So after viewing it, I have changed it. Now see how the front end looks like. Moreover, I also changed the x and the y values for the better graphical user interface looks. Now see what it would look like. So here it looks like. So it is quite interesting. Now we will see that how it will made like a smart calculator, that what we can write over here like add 5 and 10, and it will give a result over here that it will have to give result of 15. So in the next part I have shown you that how to create the coding behind these buttons. Thank you for this one.